To enable the custom email domain feature in the app, start by opening the app from your Shopify dashboard. Next, go to the Settings tab and click on it. Then, navigate to the Custom Email Domain section and click on it. Turn on the feature and fill in the details. Username, your hosting domain username/email. Password, your hosting domain password with 2FA enabled. SMTP server and port. Details from your hosting provider. Authentication and TLS/startles. Enter the correct info. From email, the email address you want notifications sent from. Once done, click Save to apply the changes.